Hi everyone, Travis from Kelowna Chevrolet here, and today I'll be showing you this 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Passenger van. This passenger van is powered by a 2.1 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Coming to the rear of the van, you have these awesome 270-degree dual doors opening up to a nice cargo area, and in each door you have a cargo net. Now looking at the interior of the vehicle, you have your window controls as well as nice deep pockets in the door panel. Here is your fuel door. You have these nice black premium cloth seats. And here is your headlight controls, hands-free audio, as well as dash controls. This van currently has 21,484 kilometers. You have a nice Bluetooth connectivity infotainment unit, along with your climate controls, and some nice storage areas along with your gear select. Now up top, you have plenty more storage, and on the dash, you have some on the passenger side, as well as right up top here. Now coming to the passenger side of the vehicle, you have this great sliding door for efficient access to load 10 extra passengers. Along with that, with the passengers, they have their own climate control as well as this infotainment unit up top. Thank you for watching this walk-around video of the 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Passenger van. If you'd like to see this vehicle or take it for a test drive, please come visit us at Kelowna Chevrolet and our sales team will happily help you out.